Welcome to my channel Vintage Caddy. Today I'm gonna teach you how to open and deassemble a carburetor of a vintage style scooter like this. So before getting started, I would suggest you to subscribe my channel if you haven't for more videos like this. As you can see, I have got the cover removed of my carburetor, and I'm currently disconnecting the accelerator wire from the carburetor by unscrewing it. Also, I have disconnected my choke wire from here. Now I will remove the uh, carburetor by unscrewing it using 11 mm screwdriver, one right from here. As you can see, I am unscrewing it. Gently loose the screw until it completely opens. Now I've got the bolt completely uh, loosened, as you can see. Alright, now we'll try to open the second uh, screw of the carburetor, which is present over there near the wire, as you can see. Now I'll unscrew the second bolt using same 11 mm screwdriver. Alright, I have loosened the second bolt also. Now I'll try to lift the carburetor. As you can see, I'm trying to lift the carburetor, but something is uh, stopping it from lifting. So here you have to note that sometimes our fuel air mixture screw interacts with the carburetor shell, which causes trouble in pulling the carburetor. Therefore, to overcome this, we have to uh, tighten the fuel air screw more towards inside, so that we can easily pull out the carburetor. Now, as you can see, I'm tightening the fuel air mixture screw towards clockwise direction, uh, so as to uh, pull out the carburetor easily. And as you can see, I have easily pulled out the carburetor. Now that we have pulled our carburetor, we'll uh, dismantle the whole carburetor, uh, starting from the reservoir. As you can see here, I'm opening the reservoir uh, containing two screws. This reservoir uh, is filled with fuel, and as you can see over here, these screw are slightly different in terms of its length. As you can see, one screw is slightly longer than another. As you can see, I'll show you, this is slightly longer than the other one. So, and now I'll open the reservoir. This reservoir, I'll show you, this reservoir contains a fluid body, floating fluid body, which automatically disconnects the fuel from the main line. This fluid body, upon complete filling of the reservoir, automatically switches off the uh, fuel from the main line. Another thing to note here is that you can check this the functioning of this fluid body by directly floating it on some fluid like water whether it's working correctly or not. One thing to note is that the faulty floating body results in the leakage of fuel from the carburetor when the tap is in on left in on position for a long time. Now let's dismantle the other components of the carburetor like accelerator and the choke part. As you can see, I am unscrewing the choke from the carburetor. Very gently remove the choke. As you can see, this choke is bound by a spring. Now I am unscrewing the accelerator from the carburetor. As you can see, it is bound by two screws. Gently unscrew the accelerator throttle. As you can see, it is also bound by a spring which can be easily dismantled. Let me show you how to dismantle the spring. You can gently pull out the spring like this, and also you can pull out this rod connecting the throttle like this. Now we have completely dismantled the carburetor except this idle screw, which can also be dismantled easily by unscrewing it. And this is air fuel mixture screw, which can be unscrewed by rotating the screw in anti-clockwise direction. Coming back to the fluid body, this body contains one more screw which contains a filter, and now I'm gonna open this screw and show you the fuel filter. As you can see, I have opened the fuel screw, and you can see this fuel filter. Now I will not replace this filter because it's in good condition. As you can see, we have opened the whole carburetor. Uh, Now we'll try to open this fuel jets and clean them. Alright guys, in the next video I'll show you how to open this fuel jets and clean them, and also we'll assemble this carburetor completely. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you.